Are you not able to increase your traffic with the SEO efforts you are making? Do you feel that your backlinks are not moving the needle? There is a teeny tiny chance that you are still using that outdated off-page SEO strategies on your website. The ranking variables and methods of search engine algorithms are changing constantly, and the general idea is that the trustworthiness, relevance, and authority that an off-page SEO can afford still plays a very big part in ranking the page on SERP. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and today I am going to share some techniques to strengthen your off-page SEO and to increase your domain authority. The first strategy on my list is HARO. It's HARO, which is help a reporter out. HARO is basically a gold mine full of opportunities for getting high quality backlinks and referral traffic. This is literally one of the cost effective and trustworthy ways to gain natural backlink. For example, as you can see on the screen, with the help of HARO, we have got backlinks from many websites like Forbes, Insights, and BMC blogs. These websites were having DA of 50, 60, 60 plus, 70, 80, or even 90 in some cases, right? So that's how powerful this strategy is. Although getting your responses published may take a while, SEO is a long game anyway. I strongly advise you to spend at least 30 minutes a day to look through HARO emails and look for queries you can answer. If you want to learn HARO, I have a course available on Udemy. Link is in the description below. Next on my list is guest posting. Guest posting is one of the common link building methods since it effectively builds quality links. The main objective of guest posting should be attracting new customers, building your brand, and growing brand awareness. It helps with both link building and reputation building. When you write a guest post for another website or blog, the site often lets you link back to your website in the post or author bio. This link adds a site to your backlink profile. We also do guest posts for other sites, and in return, they link back to our site. As you see on the screen, we have written posts for TechGill, and in return, they have linked back to our website. Blue-Gray Daily has done the same. The next off-page strategy is influencer marketing. If you are not yet utilizing the power of social media influencers, then you are missing out on a huge opportunity. Influencer marketing allows you to reach out to new prospects and increase brand awareness by elevating your content. Blogger outreach is one of the best methods for implementing influencer marketing. It provides value to the bloggers you reach out to, their readers, and ultimately to your website. It may take some time to come up with a list of top bloggers in your niche, but with some efforts, you can eventually get in touch with them and establish positive connection. This can be helpful in generating interest in your products and driving traffic to your website. Next on my list is brand building. Branding is much more than just having a cool logo or a well-placed advertisement. You need to do more. The founder of Amazon, Jeff Bezos, says it even better. Your brand is what other people say about you when you are not in the room. Your brand is your reputation. So you need to build your brand in a way that it leaves a mark on your audience's mind. Brand building is basically generating awareness about your business using strategies and campaigns with the goal of creating a unique and lasting image in the marketplace. And some effective ways that you can apply for spreading brand awareness are participate in or sponsor local events, post regularly to social media using your brand voice, create custom hashtags for Instagram, and run display ads on platforms like Google and Facebook. Now, fifth is participate in question answer websites. Question and answer websites are a great method to attract a lot of visitors. Join high PR questions and answer sites, search for queries related to your business, blog, or website, and provide clear answers. Provide a link to your website which can assist you to gain more attention. Some famous question and answer websites that you can join are Quora, AnswerBag, Yahoo Answers, Plurate. Sixth one on my list is Forum. Using forums as a part of your off-page SEO strategy may surprise you. When used as a part of larger marketing plan, forums may significantly improve your chances of success. Consider using forums to participate in talks related to your expertise. Only a few platforms allow you to respond to user queries as thoroughly as forums. For example, as you can see on the screen, that this person has placed a query here. He is asking everyone to suggest him some strategies to increase website traffic. And below, everyone is providing a solution like use social media to promote your business, improve the titles, be aware of your niche, images should be included or include keywords, and so on. They are also providing referrals at the end. These forums are an excellent places to share your expertise and create trust and relationships with potential consumers. Off-page SEO has its own importance, but don't forget about the on-page SEO activities. No matter how strong your off-page SEO is, without proper on-page SEO, you may not get a higher ranking in SERPs. You need to have a fast loading website, and SEO optimized hosting can help you to achieve that. If you want to know what are some on-page SEO factors, I have shared my recent video URL in the comment section below. So this is the end of the video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.